Hello, good evening everyone. Yesterday we have discussed the reasoning, planning and preparation strategy of RRB ALP exam, right? Today we'll go through the previous questions of RRB ALP. Previous question papers we'll discuss, okay? Now the first question given is, which of the following options should come in place of the question mark in the given series to make it logically complete? To make it logically complete, that means this question is based on number series. Now see here, 361 and 348, there is a difference of 13, right? 361 and 348, there is a difference of 13. And next, 348 and 335, there is a difference of 13 again. 335 and 322, 13 difference. 322 and 309, there is a difference of 13. That means this is a different series. Now next number, what we need to get? For every number they are making minus 13. 309 minus 13 will be 296. 296. Clear? 296. Second one, if each letter of the word typing is changed to the left, if each letter of the word typing is changed to the letter immediately preceding in the English alphabetical order. That means see here, each letter of the word is changed to in previous letter. Preceding means previous letter, previous. Succeeding means next letter. Preceding. Here S, X, O, S, X, O, I means H, M, F. English, preceding it in the English alphabetical order, and the new group of letters thus formed is rearranged in English alphabetical order. Rearranged in English alphabetical order. Then which letter is first to the right in the new rearranged group of letters? After rearranging them in alphabetical order, your order will be F, next H, M, O, S and X. Which is to the right? First letter to the right is X. That is, your answer is X. Okay. Now moving on to third question. Read the given statements and conclusions carefully. This question is based on syllogisms, right? This question is based on syllogisms where you need not consider the true facts. Clear? The first statement given is all lemons are potatoes. All lemons are potatoes. And the second statement given is some lemons are papayas. Some lemons are papayas. Some lemons. Some lemons are papayas. Clear? Some lemons are papayas. Now see here. The given conclusions are some potatoes are papayas. Some potatoes are papayas. See, if I consider some lemons are papaya, then also my conclusion will get true here. Clear? The first conclusion gets true here. Some potatoes are, some of the potatoes are papayas. Clear? The first statement gets true. First conclusion gets true here. Now, going to the second conclusion. All papayas are potatoes. All All the papayas are potatoes. Is the statement true here? The first illustration diagram is this one, and the second imagination. In both the cases, if the given conclusion is true, then we have to consider the statement as true. Clear? That means here all papayas are potatoes. Is it true here? Is it true here? No, right? But it is true here. If one consideration is true and the other consideration is false, then the complete conclusion will be false. Now your answer is only conclusion 1 follows. Going to next one. 7 boxes, and this question is based on puzzle. Here. Clear? 7 boxes A, B, C, D, E, F and G are kept one over the other, but not necessarily in the same order. See, from bottom I am placing. From bottom 1 to 7 I am placing. Okay. F is kept third from the top. F is kept third from the top. Okay. Now, only two boxes are kept between B and G. That means only two boxes. Is this the only possible case here? No, right? That box of G can be above the box of B. Yes, right? That means I can have the possibility of this one also. I can have two possibilities. Now, the next statement given is D is kept immediately above G. D is kept immediately above G. D is kept immediately above G. Clear? D is kept immediately above G. Only 3 boxes are kept between E and A. Only 3 boxes are kept between E and A. First possibility and the second possibility. The next statement. D is kept at one of the positions below F. D is kept at one of the positions below F. Now considering D is in the middle of the stack. The other possibility. I am considering as F is a fixed position. F's position is fixed here. D position might be below F, means any of the floor below F. Here this is a one possibility, and immediately below D is G. I am putting it as a box. This is complete a set D and G. D, G, D and G. We have 3 possibilities here. What is the next statement? E is not kept at the topmost position. That means E can't be placed in the 7th position. On the topmost position. Clear? Now we'll move on with the connectivity. See, is there any connectivity F? No. D and G is fixed. It's a set. Next, go with the other letter G. G has a connectivity, right? There are 2 boxes between B and G. 2 boxes between B and G. I can't place below this. B position I can't take here. There must be Gap of two boxes between G and B. That means above G only. 1, 2. B I can place here. B I can place there. The other possibility. Two boxes between B and G means B position can't be placed here because F is already placed. This possibility doesn't work here. The other possibility, two boxes between B and G. Two boxes between B and G. Now what is the other statement we have? There are three boxes between E and A. There are three boxes between E and A. Can we place here? There are already four boxes in a group. Can we place E and A? No, right? We can't place E and A. So this possibility doesn't work. We are left with this one. There should be three boxes between E and A. See here. A or E? 1, 2, 3. E or A? There are three boxes between E and A. When I am taking A or E means there must be three boxes between E and A. We don't know whether E must be on the top or not. But we have a statement that E should not be in the topmost box. E should not be in the topmost box. That means definitely here, definitely I am placing A here and E here. Clear? Definitely A comes in the topmost stack, topmost position. Then the other missing one is C here. What is the given question? Which box is kept fourth from the top? Which box is kept fourth from the top here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth from the top is B. Clear? Fourth from the top is B. In the following number pairs, the second number is obtained by applying certain mathematical operations to the first number. Which numbers should replace X and Y so that the pattern followed by the two numbers on the left side of the question is the same as on the right side of the given question? That means see here, it is completely related to analogy. It is completely related to analogy. The same pattern, X is to 128 is to 146 is to Y. The same pattern should be applied with these two variables. Here the same pattern which we are following here with A and B variables should be applied for C and D variables. Clear? Now, if you place 164, first of all, 128 is not near to cube values. If we consider it, if it is near to cube values, 5 cube plus 3, but 149, is it near to any cube value? No, right? Can we consider any multiples here? 128 and 146. 128 and 146. Any common multiple for these both numbers? No, right? Then observe here. If I consider 164, 128, sum of the digits 1 plus 6 plus 4 is 11. Sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 11 again. Clear? Now when you observe 146, the same pattern follows here. The same pattern follows here. See, 1 plus 4 plus 6 is again 11. The same 11 should follow. That means 9 plus 2, which is 11. So your answer is first option. Your answer is the first option. Clear? L, P, R, V, X, Y and Z are sitting around a circular table facing the center. If all the persons are facing towards the center, that means when all persons are facing towards the center, then which will be right here? Right will be in anti-clockwise rotation. Right will be anti-clockwise rotation, and left will be like clockwise rotation. Left will be like clockwise rotation. See here, all the persons are facing towards the center. Only one person sits between V and L. When counted from the right of V, when counted from the right of V, when counted from right side of V, there is one person between V and L. Right, anti-clockwise rotation. Clear? Now, only one person sits between L and X. One person sits between L and X. I can't place X here because V is already placed. X. The next statement. Only one person sits between V and Z. V and Z. See here. Here L is already placed. One person between V and Z means here the only possibility, right? V and Z. Only two people sit between R and X. Only two people sit between R and X. There should be gap of two persons between R and X. There should be gap of two persons between R and X. Where can I place them? If I put R here, I can't place X here. Two persons between R and X. Clear? Now, I'm sorry. Only two people between R and X means definitely R will be placed here because already two persons between means here V is placed, here R. Only one person sits between P and Z. One person between P and Z means V and Z has one person. The other person P should be placed here. We have one person left, that is Y. What is the given question? Who sits to the immediate right and left of Y respectively? Immediate right and left of Y. Right is V, left is Z. Right is V and left is Z. Your answer is option 3. Now, we have a assertion and reasoning question here. We have assertion and reasoning. Now, given statement is in Fridays from city A to city B from 19th October 2023 to 5th Jan 2024. That means see here, October to January we have more festivals, right? We have more festivals. Because of that, the railway department have decided to run two extra trains, two special trains on Tuesdays and Fridays from city A to city B. That means given reasons here are flights from city A to city C are booked to capacity, and airlines are planning to increase the number of flights operating between city A and city C from August 2023. Is this reason relevant to this statement? No, right? Because the statement given is related to railway department and the reason given is related to airline department. So, the statement reason 1 is not relevant for this, is irrelevant of the given statement. Observe the second reason. Many migrants from city B who work in city A travel back to city A on trains from October to January for the festivals. The existing trains cannot accommodate this increase in passenger demand. To accommodate this increase in demand, railway department have decided to run two special trains due to this festival season. Due to this festival season. So only reason 2 is valid here. Reason 2 is valid for the given statement. Now only 2 is a possible reason. KBWJ is related to MZZG in a certain way based on the English alphabetical order. In the same way, OXCD is related to QVFA. To which of the following options is STIX related? Following the same logic. This question is based on coding, decoding, right? Now, KBWJ is related to MZZG. MZZG. Position of the letters is 11, 2, 23, 10. Now look here. M means 13, 26, 26 or 0, 26 or 0. Next, 27 also I can consider. Okay. Sorry, 27 is again A, right? Now W means 26 here. It is 7. There is a difference of, they are making plus 2 here. They are making plus 2 here between B and Z. Moving 2 position backward. Moving 2 positions backward. Minus 2. Minus 2. Then next, between W and Z. What is the given change here? 23. That means plus 3 they have made. Plus 3. Between J and G, they have made again minus 3. When you observe the same logic for OX, C and D. OX, C and D. Is it the same logic they are following here? See. O which is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17 Q. X is 24. 24 minus 2. 22. That is V. Here plus 3. 3 plus 3. 6. F. Minus 3 here. Minus 3 means 4 minus 3 is 1. A. Clear? The same logic we have to apply for STIX. STIX. Plus 2, minus 2, plus 3 and minus 3. Here position value of S is what? Position value of S 19. 19. 19 plus 2 is U 21. We have the only option URLU. URLU. But we'll go through the T minus 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. R 3 positions backward. Sorry, forward. 9 plus 3 which is 12. L. X is 24. 24 minus 3 is 21 again. U. So option 2. Which two numbers should be interchanged to make the equation correct? Equation correct. Note, interchange should be done of the entire number and number of individual digits of a given number. No individual digits of a given number. That means if I consider 56, no individual digits should be interchanged. No individual digits should be interchanged. Now what is the given equation? 72 minus, we have to move on with the options. First we'll cross check with the 99.5. 99.5. Before that, let us solve the given equation. 72 minus 56 plus 13 plus 19 into 2 minus 95. Sorry, it is divided by. It is divided by. Previous question given. It is given in the previous exam, right? It is divided by. Plus 17. Plus 17. See here. 72 minus 56 is 16 plus 13 plus 19 is 32. 32 into 2 is 32 into 2 is say 32 into 2 64. 64 minus 95 when you divide by 5. 19 5s are 95. 19 5s are 95 minus 19 plus 17. 16 plus 64 is 80. 80 here minus 2. 80 minus 2 will be 78. But in RHS, the given result is 76. When you interchange the two elements, two numbers, then the result should be 76. Now, if you interchange 19 and 5, this 19 and 5, first let us cross check. 72 minus 56 plus 13 plus 5 into 2 minus 95 divided by 19 plus 17. First division, that is 19 5s are 95. Bracket right, 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 to the 36. 72 minus 56 is 16 plus 36. 16 plus 36. 52. 52 minus 5 is 52 minus 5. 47. 47 plus 17. 64. 64. But your answer should be 76. So, option 1 is ruled out. 72. 19 and 17 I am interchanging. Plus 17 into 2 minus 95 divided by 5 plus 19 plus 19. We are interchanging 19 and 17 now. And when you observe, 72 minus 56 is 16 plus 30 into 2 is 50. 30 into 2 is 50. Sorry, I am really sorry. 30 into 2 is 60. 95 when you divide by 5. 19 plus 19. 60 plus 16 is 76. 60 plus 16 is 76. You can directly say previously you got 78. Previously you got 78. The result should be 76. There is a difference of 2. There is a difference of 2. That minimal difference when you need to observe in the options. That minimal difference you need to observe in the options. That is option 2. Clear? 19 and 17. There is a minimal difference of 2. Okay. Based on the English alphabetical order, 3 of the following 4 letter cluster pairs are alike in a certain way. Thus form a group. Which pair does not belong to that group? That means this question is based on classification or odd one out. Classification or odd one out. It is based on letters. Based on letters. See here, the odd one out is not based on the number of consonants or vowels or their position in a letter cluster. Clear? Now, Q, V, S and X. Q, V, S and X. Position of Q is 17 and S is 19. V 22, 24. That means they are moving 2 positions forward. 2 positions forward. When you observe KP and MR, KP, MR, 11 plus 2 is 13M, 16 plus 2, 18, that is R. Clear? Now when you observe third one, A and plus 2 is 3C, D and G, D position is 4, G position of G is 7. There is a difference of 3. But they should move only 2 positions forward. They are moving 3 positions forward here. So this one will be the odd one out from 4 options. Option 3 is your answer. In a certain code language, A plus B means A is mother of B. This question is related to blood relations, right? A is the mother of B and A minus B is brother of B. Okay, now we relate this statement here. Q ash R. Question is missing. Q to R relation is given. R to P, P to K. The relation between K and T is missing. Here also. A into B is, A is the wife of B. Consider K into T. And this is divided by, A divided by B means A is father of B. And note down the statement again. Q ash R into P divided by K into T. Q ash R means there is no statement related to ash. Okay, ash is given, right? Q is the daughter of R. I am representing female with minus and male with plus. Q is the daughter of R and R into P. R into P means R is the wife of P. R is again a female wife. I am representing couple with double arrow mark. R is wife of P. Now P divided by K. That means P is father of K. Clear? P is father of K. These two people, this couple has 2 kids, 2 children. Okay, 2 children. Now the last connectivity is K into T. K into T means K is the wife of T. I am representing again the couple with double arrow mark. K is wife of T. Male with plus and female with minus. Now what is the given question? How is R related to T? How is R related to T? T ki R ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి. జనరల్ గా అయితే మదర్ ఇన్ లా రైట్, మదర్ ఇన్ లా. బట్ ద గివెన్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ డాటర్స్ డాటర్, నో, వైఫ్స్ మదర్. So option B and second option is your answer. Clear? Okay. Nalin starts from point Y and drives 8 kilometers towards north. 8 kilometers towards north. North, east, west, south. Clear? If a person is moving 8 kilometers towards, starting from point Y towards north, and he then takes a right turn and drives 23 kilometers. 23 kilometers. If a person is facing north, that means his right will be towards east. How many kilometers he is moving? 23 kilometers he is moving. And turns right and drives 29 kilometers again. If he is facing north, his right will be towards south. He is again moving how many kilometers? 29 kilometers. 29 kilometers towards south. He then takes a left turn. And drives 14 kilometers. That means if a person is facing south, left will be again towards east. Why? 23 kilometers, 29 kilometers, here 14 kilometers towards east again. Then he takes a left and drives 21 kilometers and stops at point Z. When he is facing towards east direction, his left will be towards north again. Why I am exactly considering these in a straight line? Because see, 8 kilometers is again same as 8 kilometers. The left 21 kilometers. 8 plus 21 is 29. Clear? That is why Y and Z points come in a straight line. Now, how far or shortest distance and towards which direction should he drive in order to reach point Y again? In order to reach point Y again, how much distance he should travel back? Twenty-three and 23 plus 14. 23 plus 14. That means he should go back how many kilometers? 23 plus 14 is 37 kilometers. And towards which direction he should move now? Towards west direction. 37 kilometers towards west direction. Okay. In the alphanumeric series, how many such symbols are there? Each of which is immediately preceded by a number and also immediately followed by a number. And mean, see here, number, symbol and number, right? The symbol which is immediately preceded by a number and succeeded by a number. Okay, immediately followed by a number. We have a symbol at the rate which is preceded by 3 and followed by 1, and the other is 4 ampersand 3. Next, 3 ampersand 1, 4 ampersand 3. Next, only those two symbols, right? Only those two symbols. We don't have any option like that, right? But the answer is only 2. Might be some symbols have missed here. Some symbols have missed here. But if you see the same alphanumeric series, we have only 2 symbols which is immediately followed and immediately preceded by a number. We have only such 2 symbols. Clear? Now we have again a Syllogism based question. Go through the statement. Some giraffes are rhinos. Some giraffes are rhinos. All rhinos are tigers. All the rhinos are tigers. Now, the given conclusions are some tigers are giraffes. Some tigers are giraffes. Clear? Some tigers are part of giraffes. Clear? Some tigers of giraffes follows here. All tigers are rhinos. All tigers are rhinos. We don't know. We don't have any idea about this part, right? We don't have any idea about this part. All rhinos are tiger, they have said, but we don't have any idea about all tigers are rhinos. Clear? They have given a statement about all rhinos are tigers. So we can't consider this as a conclusion. Okay? That only first conclusion will definitely follow. Only conclusion one follows here. In a certain code language, argot is coded as A R G O T is coded as 12497 G R A F T 29743 29743. What is the code for F in a given code language? See, there are common letters. There are common letters between these two, and we can easily decode this. See, G T R A. G T R A. We have all the four letters common. We have all four letters common. That means four numbers should be same in both the given code. Four numbers should be similar. That are 2497. 2497. Clear? The code for O is 1 and F is 3. Now the given code for F is 3. Okay. Now if plus means minus, minus means into. Now go through the given equation and change the symbols. 62. Minus means into 27. Plus means minus 14. Into means plus again. Plus is 2 times, right? They have given a mistake. It is divided by. It is divided by. Here also it is again divided by means plus. Excuse me. Here into means divided by. (62) into 27 minus 2. We have a larger value, but we don't have any answer here. We don't have any options here. So the question is bit mistake here. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. This is again based on the analogy. X is to 125. 13 is to question mark. When you observe this, it is near to square value. It is near to square value. That is 11 square plus 4. 11 square plus 4. Clear? That means your value should of x must be 11. 11 is to 125 because here there is again only 2-digit value. Only small value is there. That is why I am considering x value as small value. 11 square plus 4. If you consider the same pattern here, 13 square plus 4. 169 plus 4 is 173. That is nothing but your answer is 11 and 173. Now, B, C, D, E and F. Next letters series, given series is E, F, G, H and I. G, H and I. Next, G, H, I, J, K. F, I, K. It is a letter series. Moving to 20th one. U, P, T, Q is related to O, J, N, K. In the same way, some letters are missing. Okay, leave that one. M, N, I, M, J should follow the same pattern. Position value of U 21, 16, 20 and 17. 20 and 17. Here 15, 10, 14, 11. How many positions they are moving backward? 6 positions. 16 minus 6 is 10. Minus 6 minus 6. Every time they are moving 6 steps backward. 6 letters backward. Now 14, 9, 13 and 10. 14 minus 6 will be 8, which is H. 9 minus 6 is 3, which is C. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7, that is G. 10 minus 6, 4, D. HC, G, D. Option 1 is your answer. Now, it is again a seating arrangement. All the 7 people are sitting in a row facing towards north direction. Facing towards north direction. Only 5 people sit between C and D. Only 5 people sit between C and D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. All the 7 people are facing towards north. If 5 people are sitting between C and D, that means here C and D might be to the extreme ends. They must be to the extreme ends. Clear? Now B sits third from the right end. If all the people are facing towards north, then which will be to the right? 1, 2, 3. B is third from the right end. G sits to the immediate right of C. That means immediate right of C should be G. If so, C can be placed here because I can't place G. C, G. E sits third to right of A. E sits third right of A. E sits third right of A. 1, 2, 3. Third right of A. That means there must be 2 positions gap. 2 positions gap to the right of A. So A, 2 positions gap, and E. The left person here is F. A to G. How many people sit between G and F? How many people sit between G and F? Only one person. Only one person. Again, letter series. Letter series. See here. Moving 2 steps backward. Moving 2 steps backward. Y, W, -2, -2 again, -2. 19 -2, which is Q. So this option is ruled out. Option C is ruled out. Next, move on with the next option. US. US. 21 -2, 19 -2, 17 -2 is 15. 15 -2 will be 13, which is M. QMK. QMK is the only option you have. But cross check with the last one also. S. 19 -2 is 17. Q. -2, -2, 13 -2, which is 11. We get K here. QMK. It is again related to classification or odd one out. Observe Q, L, O and J. 17, 15, 12 and 10. They are moving 2 steps backward. 2 letters backward. They are moving 2 letters backward. In every option, check whether this is a possibility or not. W, R, 23 -2, which is 21. U, 18 -2, 16. P. 9 -2 is 7. G. 4 -2 is B. Next, 13 -2 should be 11, which is K. But the given option is L. So, fourth one is a odd one out. 24th one. It is again related to analogy. You need to find the same relation for the given question. 18 is to 24. 18 and 24. 18 and 24 are multiples of 6. 3 6 are 4 6 are. We have a common multiple 6 here. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. We need to find the same common multiple here. Okay. For the number 24, 3 into 8. 3 into 8. 3 8s 24. Next, 4 into the same common element 8. 4 8s are 32. And your fourth one is a right answer. It is again, see here in the word master, each consonant is changed to the letter immediately preceding it in the English alphabet, and each vowel is changed it in the immediately succeeding in the English alphabetical order. Now, if you consider the word master, all the consonants are replaced with immediately. Consonant is changed to the letter immediately preceding. L here, R, S, Q. R, S and Q. And each vowel is changed to the letter immediately succeeding. Immediately followed on next letter. B, F. Now what is the given question? How many consonants are present in the new group of letters thus formed? In my new group thus formed here, there are all the 6 are consonants. All the 6 are consonants. So your answer is 1. Clear? First option is your answer. Okay. Thank you. And tomorrow we'll go through the other paper for previous examples we'll go through. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubt, contact the number given yesterday. Yesterday we have given, right? Okay. Contact the given number. If you need any online classes, go download the app Race for Job. And again, if you want to go for offline classes, come to the branch and contact, and they'll give a free demo classes first 1 or 2 days. Then you can join the classes. Okay. Thank you.